Protect your family and household appliance from chlorine and more. Say goodbye to smelly, bad-tasting water. The FC15 carbon block filter is specially designed to remove up to 99% of chlorine from water, as well as various natural organic compounds, taste and odor compounds, and synthetic organic chemicals. Individually wrapped. Standard-sized 10 inches by 2.5, high-capacity activated carbon block, CTO, chlorine, taste, and odor replacement filter cartridge for iSpring water systems and most industry-standard 10 inches reverse osmosis RO and under-sink systems. 5 Micron coconut shell carbon and compact fabrication tech to achieve maximum filtration efficiency and filter life. Activated carbon is an effective adsorbent because it is a highly porous material and provides a large surface area to which contaminants may adsorb. Please unwrap the cartridges before use. Unlike an RO membrane, the filters don't reduce total dissolved solids, TDS, and instead keeps healthy minerals in your water. If you are interested in a filter that removes TDS, consider our iSpring reverse osmosis RO systems. This iSpring FC15 carbon block CTO filter cartridge reduces fine sediment and chlorine taste and odor in drinking water. It has a nominal, 85%, filtration rating of 5 microns. The filter will reduce free available chlorine, FAC, at 2 parts per million, ppm, by at least 90% in up to 6,000 gallons at a flow rate of 1 gallon per minute, GPM. This cartridge is made of bonded powdered activated carbon, PAC, filter media wrapped in a polyolefin pre-filter with polyethylene outer netting. The cartridge has an initial pressure drop of 3.4 pounds per square inch, psi, at a flow rate of 1 gallon per minute, GPM, and operates over a temperature range of 40 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 4.4 to 82.2 degrees C. This carbon block filter cartridge meets National Sanitation Foundation, American National Standards Institute, NSF, ANSI, Standard 42 for quality assurance, and is used for purification of residential and commercial drinking water. Top reviews from the United States. Will never use anything else. This is amazing. I have well water with a very high amount of iron, manganese, and possibly some sulfur. It developed a new smell, tested and it's safe, just not great, but I can't shock my well yet. Mind you, I have a water softener and the water is still very hard. This filter eliminates all odor, taste, you name it. It tastes so clean and testing it confirms that. I tried other filters and they were nowhere near as close. I'll always buy this, and will get this brand in whole house filter when I can. And for those complaining about leaking, if you use the tool they send with it to tighten, you will be good. It's a little hard to take apart to change filter, but still only 2 minutes. Well worth it.